Hello everybody. This is a little instructional video to show you how to record your assignment for this discussion post. So all we have to do is click on the assignment, and where you would normally, after you read the instructions, you would normally come right in here and you would start typing. And then you would post your answer. So that's what that looks like. In this case, you have two choices. You can click on the microphone and you can do audio only. And you just come here and you literally just start recording. And we are recording now, and here is the example, test, test, test. When you're finished, you click on stop, and you can listen to it if you want before, and then if you like it, you can insert recording. You have to type something in here. This is my recording, and then you post it. If you would like to do the audio and the video, okay, again, click here, go to audio and video, and it'll again tell you to start recording. Hello everybody, this is my recording that I am demonstrating for the students. Stop recording. You know, videos always take a little longer. And then you insert it. And again, you have to type something in here. This is my recording with the video on. And you post. And it will take a moment for those to upload and be completed. And then after that, you'll see that you'll see one as a recording and one as a video. And that's it. So enjoy these different options, and we look forward to either listening to them, listening and reading, or listening and watching. Thank you.